My name is Dr. Udaya Suresh Kumar. I am a consultant pulmonologist at KMC Hospital, Mangalore. What is pleural effusion? So, there is a small layer between the lung and the outer chest wall, which is known as the pleura. This is like a small covering. Anytime fluid which is accumulated between these two areas is called pleural effusion. So, normally there will be some amount of fluid. If there is any underlying pathology, like it might be infection, it might be cancer, it might be any heart failure or kidney failure, or even any autoimmune disease, there might be accumulation of more fluid in this area. So this is what is known as pleural effusion. So do we have to always remove the fluid? No. If the patient is symptomatic and there is a diagnostic challenge, or if it is a large amount, we advise to remove the pleural fluid. So how is the pleural fluid removed? We use a small bore needle which is used to puncture at the area of maximum fluid, and the fluid is aspirated and sent for laboratory investigations. So what happens if the patient has a large volume fluid? If the patient is extremely breathless and the patient needs relief from the feeling of breathlessness, or if there is an indication wherein the fluid is recurring and filling up again and again, at that point we use a small bore or a slightly bigger bore chest tube to be inserted at that area for the fluid to be drained.